Good morning. I hope y'all have really been enjoying my content. This is a very out of the norm start for me, but I am getting ready to go set up a backdrop and balloon garland at a class reunion. I've done events at this place, I think more than I can count, but I wanted to go ahead and get started because I'm doing two different things today, and I'm opening up this video for the balloon garland and backdrop. But I already got everything. I got the balloons mashed in my van. I pre-strung the garland, so it's like gonna be quick. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be, but I pre-strung the garland. I left some balloons out as fillers, and when I blew my balloons up, I took them to my storage unit because I was prepping for the other event, and I was able to text the event venue owner, and she gave me a code to get in a few minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and go because I need to make way for everything else that's happening later this evening. But the colors are going to be baby blue, navy blue, white. I'm doing backdrop draping, and then I am, like I said, doing a balloon garland. So what you see is what you get in this video. This is part of the little small things in the side quest. It's not always going to be a big event, but it always is worth it. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video. Thank y'all always for stopping by, and I hope y'all have been enjoying my content so far. We got some more coming, so y'all stay tuned. And make sure you watch my other videos, my side quest videos. It's so discouraging when I upload and edit and upload those videos. Y'all don't watch them. My videos about invoicing, my video about the frequently asked questions, because a lot of people are asking the same questions about the pipe and drape and all of that good stuff. But that's neither here nor there. Let me digress. I'll see y'all next week. Y'all go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. This was a super simple setup. This was doing the same day as another event I had, so I tried to make sure I prepped as much as I could. I had an idea of what kind of balloon garland I wanted to do, like an asymmetrical on one side, and then the other side just have a small garland coming up. A lot of you have asked about my pipe and drape kit. I did answer that question in a frequently asked questions video, maybe 4 or 5 videos back. I purchased these pipe and drape systems from Amazon some years ago, and they stand about 8 feet high, and they can get up to as big as 10 feet wide. And then I actually ordered some extenders as well to help me with doing the double draping. So I'm doing my white draping as a background for the draping. And I had to make some quick changes because it's a method to how I do it, but I was pressed for time and didn't have time to be experimenting. So you're gonna see me make the adjustment and put the actual colors on the front side of this drape. I'm not the best at draping. I just try my hands at different things, and because this is for a class reunion, I wanted to give them something a little bit different besides just me hanging up some drapes and hitting the road. And these are the colors. It was a navy blue, baby blue, and white kind of color and situation. She loved it. This is my second time booking with this client. I actually did an in-home install for her. So this is me contemplating on what I was going to do. Like I said, I'm not the best at draping, but I'm going to get it figured out one day. I'm going to go to like a seminar or training class, and I'm going to learn how to do my draping. But I kept it simple, straightforward. I'm using some pipe cleaners is what I call them. Some people call them Chanel ties, but they're the wired, fabric-y kind of ties that you can use to tie things, projects and whatnot. So I had those from Dollar Tree. You get a lot of them for $1. And then I'm just draping the navy blue behind the baby blue, and then I'm gonna bring the baby blue in the middle together. So just showing y'all what I wanted to do and walking you through just a little bit of it. So y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Y'all will see the end result and the end product.